Welcome to Tutorial Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to free animals in the Sonic Dash game. Whether to fulfill a mission or to unlock further options in the building menu, if you want to free animals, you'll have to start playing the game. And once in the game, you can very simply wait around for some enemies to show up, and once they do, you want to just slide into them, as you saw me do just before. I'll demonstrate it again. Once an enemy shows up, which may take a while in this case, just slide into them and you'll see those animals jumping out of them to demonstrate them being freed. Then, once you get out of it, once you fail the run, or rather end it, you'll be able to see all the animals you've rescued, and you can also see that there was a bonus from the character that we are using, which you can see those bonuses when you go into your character collection. You can tap on the character, tap info, and see right here the bonus that the character has. Sonic has for this, Tails. You can see the different bonuses just there. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.